Hello students, welcome to PraescioEdu YouTube channel. This is scholarship exam standard 5th online class, subject intelligent test, and the topic is analogy numbers, exercise 6.3, which is available in our Navneet digest. But before this one, there are some solve examples on page number 186. So total there are 7 examples. There is the common instruction in each of the following questions. The first and the second number holds a specific relationship. The same relationship holds true in the third and the fourth number. Select the correct alternative to replace the question mark. So first and second number having some relations in between these two. Same relations has been in a third and the fourth. That is the true. Okay. So as per these relations, we have to find out the correct number to replace the question mark, and that has to choose from the four alternatives. Okay, so same as like a figure or the words, which is earlier we are seen in a analogy topics. So the question number 1 is there: 17, 102, 20, and then question mark. So 17 multiplied by 6 is a 102. Likewise, if we have to multiply by with a 6 same to the 20, so it's a 120. So option number 3 is the correct one. Now question number 2: 75, then 79, then 119, and then question mark. So 75 plus 4 is a 79, means plus 4. So likewise plus 4 we have to add in 119, so that is a 123, means option number 4 is the correct one. Now question number 3: 57 and 12. So here the digit only we have to consider, means 5 digit and 7 digit, not a place value, only digit. So 5 plus 7 is a 12. So likewise 8 plus 5 is a 13, and 13 is given in option number 2. Now question number 4: 19 and 23. So 19 is a prime number, and after this one followed with a 23. Likewise 71, after this one the 73 is a prime number. So question mark replaced with a 73 number. Then question number 5 is there: 964, then 532, 756, then question mark. So here minus 2, then minus 3, minus 2. Each digit separately we have to do the subtraction. So 9 minus 4 is a 5, 6 minus 3 is a 3, 4 minus 2 is a 2. So with that digit, with the sequentially 532 number is form up. Likewise 7 minus 4 is a 3, 5 minus 3 is a 2, and then 6 minus 2 is a 4. So means 324 is the correct one. So question number 6: 24, 8, 36, and question mark. So 24 means 2 and 4, these are the two digits. So their difference is, means 4 minus 2 is a 2, and 2 having the cube number is a 8. Likewise 6 minus 3 means the digit difference. So 6 minus 3 is a 3, and 3's cube number is a 27. So that's why option number 2 is the correct one. Now question number 7: 3564, and then 6, 7827, and then question mark. So if you have to add all the digits, means 3 plus 5 8, 8 plus this 10 means 18, and 18 divided by 3 is a 6. Likewise 7 plus 8 15, plus 9 is a 24, 24 divided by 3 is a 8. So 8 is given in option number 2. Now we are going to see the exercise 6.3, which is available on page number 187. So now there is a common instruction, same as earlier in a solve examples also we have seen. In each of the following questions, the first and the second number holds a specific relationship. The same relationship holds true in the third and the fourth number. Select the correct alternative to replace the question mark. So question number 1 is there: 9, 23, 7, and then question mark. So 9, if we do the multiplication of this 3 to the 9, means 9 multiplied by 3 is a 27, and then minus 4 means from the 27 minus 4 means 23. Likewise 7 multiplied by 3 is a 21, minus 4 is a 17. So 17 is the option number 4 correct. Now question number 2: 241, 4124, 372, and then question mark. So here we have to do the multiplication, means each digit to digit. 2 multiplied by 2, then 4 multiplied by 3, and 1 multiplied by 4. So 2 multiplied by 2 is a 4, then 4 multiplied by 3 is a 12, then 1 multiplied by 4 means 4. So with this sequentially forming of the digits, the number creates is a 4124. Likewise, 3 multiplied by 2, then 7 multiplied by 3, and 2 multiplied by 4. So 3 multiplied by 2 is a 6, 7 multiplied by 3 is a 21, and 2 multiplied by 4 is a 8. So it's a 6218. So this is given in option number 1. Then question number 3, 31, 37, 89, and then question mark. So these are the prime numbers. So after the 31, 37 is there. Likewise 89, and then after the 89 there is a 97, means option number 3 is the correct one. Now question number 4, 24, then 36, 32, and then question mark. So 24's half is a 12. So 24 plus 12 is a 36. Like this, 32's half is a 16. So 32 plus 16 is a 48. Then question number 5, 26, 53, 18. So if you have to multiply by 2 with the 26, means 26 multiplied by 2 is a 52. 52 plus 1 is a 53. Likewise 18 multiplied by 2 is a 36. 36 plus 1 also we have to do here. So that is a 37, means option number 1 is the correct one. Now question number 6, 7, 42. So then 4 and question mark. So 7, so multiply by with this same digit, but from this digit we have to subtract the 1, means 7 minus 1 is a 6. So 7 multiplied by 6 is a 42. Likewise 4 minus 1 is a 3. So that 3 multiplied by with the same digit is a 12. So this is given in option number 3. Now question number 7, 8, 36, 12, and question mark. So 8 multiplied by 4 is a 32, and then plus addition of the 4. So means multiply by 4 and then additions of the 4, that we are getting the 36. Like this one, 12 multiplied by 4 is a 48, and then plus 4 is a 52. So 52 is given in option number 2. So student, there are always be different logics are there. Okay, so that depends on your skill, how maybe your answers sometimes are forming the different one as per the relations. If we are find outing something different relation in between the first and the second number, but if you apply that same relations with the third number and for the finding the fourth number, might be your answer is correct, different one will becomes, but that is also the logic. Okay, so sometimes that is also the formation, but there is no any specific formula to find out this one. There is some trial and error to find out in the relations exactly, but there should be that whatever the number you are find outing to replace the question mark, that has to be available in our options. That is very important. Now we are going to see the question number 8. So Roman number V, then VI means this is a 7 and this is a 5. After this one, Roman number X means 10 plus 1 plus 1 means this is a 12. 5 plus 2 is a 7. So like this 12 plus 2 is a 14, and 14 is given in option number 3. So option number 3 is a correct one. Now question number 9, 7148, then 5, then 5986, and then question mark. So here if you add all the digits, means 7 plus 1 plus 4 plus 8, we are getting the 20, and divided by the 4 means 5. So likewise we have to do the same additions of this all the digits. So that is a 28, and then divided by the 4, so that's a 7. 7 is given in option number 1. Now question number 10, 44, then 21, 60, and question mark. Then 44 divided by 2, we are getting the 22, and minus 1 is a 21. So likewise 60 divided by 2 is a 30, and minus 1 is a 29, and this is given in option number 1. Then question number 11, 8.3, then 3.89, then 4.7, then question mark. Now the decimal will be keep it as it is. Now this interchanging of the only digit means this is the 8.3, so now 3.8 will comes, but after this one means after the second digit means that the 10th digit, after that one the 100th digit has to be that digit selected by the additions of the 10th digit. 10th digit is 8, 8 plus 1 is a 9, so 9 has to be kept it here. So 9, like this one, say 4.7 means 7.4, and 4 plus 1 is a 5. So like this is the option number 2 is the correct one. Now question number 12, 95, then 47, 87, and then question mark. 9 and 5, these are the two digits. So 9 plus 5 is a 14. 14 multiplied by 2 is a 28. And if you do the multiplication of these two digits, means 47, 4 multiplied by 7, we are getting the 22. So means these digits multiplications should be equal to these two digits additions multiplied by 2. So 8 plus 7 is a 15. 15 multiplied by 2 is a 30. And 30 has a product of these two digits from the alternative. So 3 multiplied by 1 is a 3. We require 30. 6 multiplied by 5 is a 30. So this option is correct. Just for the cross checks, 2 multiplied by 3 is a 5 and 5 multiplied by 3 is a 15. So that's why option number 2 is the correct one. Now question number 13, 8, 504, 6, and then question mark. So for this one, 8, then multiply by with the self this digit we have to take, and multiplication of this same digit, or we can say square of this digit, or 8 multiply by self that digit also we can do, then minus 1. So this 8 multiply by this 8 square is a 64, minus 1 is a now 63. So 8 multiply by 63, we are getting 504. So like this one. So there is a 6. Now 6 multiply by 6 square minus 1. So 6 square is a 36 minus 1. So it is a 35, and then multiply by this 6. So it's a 210. 210 is option number 3 is the correct one. Now question number 14, 37. So then 12, and then 53, and then question mark. So 37 means 3 and 7. So the product is a 21, and interchanging of these two digits we are getting the 12. So likewise 5 multiplied by 3 is the 15, and interchanging of these digits means 15 will comes the 51. So 51 means option number 3 is the correct one. Now question number 15. So 13, 42, then 9, and then question mark. So 13 multiplied by 3 is a 39, then plus 3 we are getting the 42. So likewise 9 multiplied by 3, so that is a 27, plus 3 we are getting the 30, and 30 is given in option number 4. Question number 16, 15, 64, 12, and question mark. So 15 we have to multiply by with a 4, so that is a 60. So 60 plus 4 is a 64. Likewise 12 multiplied by 4 is a 48, and plus 4 is a 52. 52 is a given in option number 2. Then question number 17, 40, 18, 50, and then question mark. So 40 divided by 2 is a 20. So 20 minus 2 is a 18. So that this number comes. So likewise 50 divided by 2 is a 25, and minus 2 is a 23, and this is given in option number 1. Now question number 18, this is a 7. So 7 is a in numerical form, and this is in Roman form. So this is 9 in Roman. So 9 in numerical form means option number 3 is the correct one. Then question number 19, 5,936, then 6,847, then 8,472, then question mark. So for here we have to do the 5 to 6 is a plus 1, then 9 to 8 is a minus 1, then 3 to 4 is a plus 1, then 6 to 7 is a minus 1, means plus 1 minus 1 plus 1 minus 1. So likewise 8 plus 1 is a 9, then 4 minus 1 is a 3, then 7 plus 1 is a 8, then 2 minus 1 is a, sorry, here additions of the 1 means it's a 3. So 9,383. So this is given in option number 4. Then question number 20, 20, then 30, then 50, and then question mark. So 20 and 30 means it's a 1.5 times, or we can say double, or we can say the self number, then 20 plus additions of this one, half of this number means this is a 10. So this is a 30 comes. Likewise 50. So 50 plus 20 additions of this half of the 50 means 25. So likewise this is a 75. 75 is given in option number 3. Then question number 21, L, C, D, and then question mark. So L means 50, then this is 100. So 50 multiplied by 2 is 100, and this is in Roman number. So D means 500. So 500 multiplied by 2 is 1000. So 1000 is given in, means M. M is given in option number 3. Then question number 22, 9, then 95, then question mark. So here 9 means multiply by this same number, okay, and then plus here the additions of this same number, okay, means 9 multiplied by this 9 and then additions of this same number, means we can get the 90. Likewise 5, so 5 multiplied by this 5, so we are getting the 25 plus this 5, means this is a 30. So this is the option number 2. Question number 23, 935, 593, 468, then question mark. So here, if this 93 and 93 is same, so this 5 just comes in a front, or we can say the left side. So likewise, 46 will be the same, but this 8 should be with the left side, means 846. This is given in option number 4. Then question number 24, 1.20, then 14.17, then 8.55, then question mark. In a decimals left side, so 1 and here the 14. So 1 plus 13, we are getting the 14. So 1 plus 13, we are getting the 14. And then 20 and 17, here the minus 1 difference. So 20 minus 3 is a 17. So this is 14.7. So with considering these two numbers, 14, then decimal point, and then 17. Likewise, then 8 plus 13 we have to add. So this is a 21, then and then decimal point, and then 55 minus 3. So 55 minus 3 is a 52. So 21.52. This is given in option number 1. Then question number 25. So 20, 380, 30, and then question mark. So 20 multiplied by this self number and we have to subtract this same numbers, means 20 multiplied by this self number means 20, so that is a 400, and then subtraction of this same number, so means 20, so this is a 380. Likewise 30 multiplied by this self number means 30, so that is a 900, and subtraction with this self number means subtraction with a 30, so that is 870, and this is given in option number 3. Then question number 26, 572, then 70, 385, then question mark. So here all the digit has to multiple, means separate. 5 multiplied by 7 multiplied by 2, we are getting the 70. Likewise this separate digit 3 multiplied by 8 multiplied by 5 has to multiple, so product is getting 120. So option number 4 is the correct one. Now question number 27, 3927, so 4845, 1845, then question mark. So 3 to 4 means plus 1 digit, then 9 to 8 is a minus 1 digit, then 2 to here 4 means plus 2 digit, then 7 to 5 means minus 2 digit, means plus 1 minus 1 plus 2 minus 2. So here plus 1 means 2 plus 1 is a 2, then 8 minus 1 is a 7, then here 4 plus 2 is a 6, then 5 minus 2 is a 3. So 2760. So this is given in option number 1. Question number 28, 464, then 5, and then question mark. So 4's cube number is 64, so 5's cube number is 125. Option number 3 is the correct one. Then question number 29, 43, 52, 69, and then question mark. So 4 here 5, so 4 plus 1, then 5 digit comes. So likewise 3 minus 1, 2 digit comes, means here plus 1 and then minus 1. So here 6 plus 1 is a 7 and 9 minus 1 is a 8, so 78. So for this one 78 is given in option number 2. Then question number 30, 36, 10, 27, and then question mark. So 36 means difference between these two digits is a 6 minus 3 is a 3. 3 square is a 9, and 9 plus 1 is a 10. Means we can say 6 minus 3 is a 3. Then 3 square is a 9, and 9 plus 1 is a 10. Likewise then 27. So 7 minus 2 is a 5. 5 square is a 25, and 25 plus 1 is a 26. Means option number 1 is a correct. Question number 31. 2, 3, 5 and then question mark. So here, if you make the relations plus 1 or something, then we are not getting any 6 here in options. But if you consider all the prime numbers, so in sequentially 2, 3, 5 and 7 will comes, means option number 3 is the correct one. Question number 32, 3, 32 and question mark. So 3 cube is a 27 plus 3 is a 30. Likewise, 2 cube is a 8. 8 plus that self digit means 2. So we are getting the 10. And 10 is given in option number 1. Then question number 33. So 63, then 10, then 48 and then question mark. So here 33 divided by 36 divided by 3, 36 divided by 3, we are getting the 12. 12 minus 2, we are getting the 10, means this number. Likewise, 48 divided by 3, we are getting the 16, and 16 minus 2, we are getting the 14. 14 is given in option number 4. Then question number 34, x 8, then this 8 and 10. So these are the Roman number, but alternatively change. Here 10, but here comes in number. This 8 comes in Roman number. Likewise, V means 5 and here the 3 in number. So V means 5. So 5 will be in a second terms of this after the comma, and before this one the 3 means in Roman number. So this is given in option number 2. Then question number 35. 93, 3, 82 and question mark. So separate digit we have to make this consider. So 9 and 3. So 9 divided by 3, we are getting the 3. So these digits. So likewise 8 and divided by 2, we are getting the 4. Means option number 3 is the correct one. Now question number 36, 753, 321, 695 and then question mark. So here 7 to 3 means 7 minus 4. Then we are getting 3. So 5 and 21. So here the minus 3. Then 3 and 1. So here the minus 2. Means minus 4, minus 3, minus 2. Likewise 6 minus 4 means 2. Then 9 minus 3 is a 6. And then 5 minus 2 is a 3. So 263. So 263 means option number 4 is the correct one. Question number 37. 236, 248, 313. So here the first two digits means the 2 and 3, their product is a last digit. So likewise 2 multiplied by 4 is 8. So here 3 multiplied by 1 is a 3. So likewise same this criteria has to apply in all the 4 options, which is the correct one. So first two digits and their multiplication should be last one. So 3 multiplied by 3 is a 9, but here 5 mentioned. So option number 1 is not. Then 3 multiplied by 2 is a 6, but here the 0 mentioned. So option number 2 also not. Then option number 3, 3 multiplied by 2 is a 6 and here 6 mentioned. So option number 3 is the correct one. Then 3 multiplied by 4 is a 12, but here the 6 mentioned. So option number 4 also not one. So the option number 3 is the correct one, which can be fit to the question mark. Then question number 38, 25, 39, then 64 and then question mark. 25 means 5 multiplied by 5, then we are getting the 25 means 5 square. Then 39, there is a 3 multiplied by 13. Only this is their factors. So then we are getting the 39. So then 64 is a square of the 8 means 8 square. Then we are find outing the same criteria means square. So this is also the square. So 3 multiplied by something prime number. So here also 3 multiplied by then prime number. Next one is the 15 is not a prime number. So 17 and 19 also there. But if you multiply by 17, it's a 51. So 51 is available. If you consider the next prime number means 19, so that 19 multiplied by 3 is not available here, means that is a 57, that is not available. And if you previously consider any number means before this 13, so 11 multiplied by 3 is a 33, that is also not available. Means 3 multiplied by 17 means option number 1 means 51, that is the correct one. Then question number 39, 2 then 12 then 3 and then question mark. So 2 means we can say this digit multiply by with this same digit means that is getting 4. Then 2 is a digit, then 2 and then plus 1. So this is the 3 comes. So this 4 multiplied by 3, we are getting the 12. So this number comes like this, 3. So 3 multiplied by 3, or we can say the square of this one, which is the 9. Then 3 plus 1 is a 4. So 9 plus 9 multiplied by 4 is a 36. So 9 multiplied by 4 is a 36, and 36 is given in option number 2. Question number 40. 14, 60, 16, then 21, and then question mark. 14 means 1 and 4. These are the two digits. So 1 multiplied by 4 is a 4. Then 1 multiplied by 4 is a 4. So, or we can say 4. Then 4 square is a 16. So this number comes. Then 2 multiplied by 1. 2 multiplied by 1 is a 2. And 2 square is a 4. And 4 is given in option number 1. Thank you.